Assalamu alaikum, first of all. Good afternoon. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Also, I am doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, not well, but also I am too much doing great because Allah has been blessed me. That's why every day I can make video without hesitation, and I am used to speaking English every day without face any kind of problem. So that's why I'm very happy. Allah has been blessed me, and I'm trying to practice in English every day. Actually, when Allah blessed on you, if you don't try to do anything, Allah never will bless you. But if you try to work hard and more or more repeat one thing, that time Allah may bless you. But if you not work hard and if you think I am try to do something but Allah don't accept my prayer, so it is not make any sense. If you fall, wake up. Just you try to one time, and if you try I will be success for do this task. This is not right. You should one things repeat again, repeat again, repeat. You know repetition is the mother of all skills. That's why any kinds of task, any kinds of thing, any kinds of work, if you want to be a success, you have to repeat again, keep consistency, never ever give up. This is the main key. But what what do you do? You just try one time, two time. After that, you can't this task, then you give up. But and you say Allah don't accept my prayer. Brother, remember one thing. Life is not easy. Life is very hard. And one time, two time, any kind of task, if you do after and you think I'll be able to this task, really it's no make any sense. So to sum up, in my opinion, if you want to do something, repeat and repeat. Fall, wake up, fall, wake up. Never ever give up. That's all about my opinion. That's all.